We're a group of primarily veterans from trading, technology, and capital markets. Michael had mentioned my background, which was Credit Suisse and Bear, now JP Morgan. But we have team members from the New York Stock Exchange, RBC, Morgan Stanley, B of A, Gain Capital, which is a big player in the FX field. And we also have DeFi experience. DeFi is decentralized finance, which is a growing aspect of crypto, and specifically experience with MakerDAO, which is one of the granddaddies of the DeFi world. Very deep relationships with Maker, as well as many of the other DeFi projects like Aave, Uniswap, etc. So here are some of the advantages. I've already touched upon some of them. Liquidity for both private and public companies on the real estate side, utilizing DLT, stable coins, and blockchain technology tied to digital cash. And in a year's time or two, what we're hoping is digital cash can also be defined as Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Today, we are not going to press that envelope with the regulators, but we believe in a year or two, there will be that ability. What that does also for a real estate issuer is with stable coins, for instance, today, you also are opening up a potential market of crypto investors who would like to diversify into real world assets. That's the big movement today. So in regards to our specific ATS subscribers, and again, an ATS is like an exchange, but it's not national market. We're a matching engine. So if you're familiar with OTC markets, et cetera, it's that type of process with the order screen, bid screen. You have the ability to see all the orders for a specific security. So our focus is institutional investors, accredited investors, as well as broker dealers. Through the broker dealer networks, we have retail investors have access to trade on our specific ATS as well. And so what we haven't included here is these are traditional investors, traditional real world investors. Crypto will be a part of this as well in regards to the attractive opportunities.
When is all this coming down the pipeline for non-accredited retail investors? Is it more than 1 year? Well, I can say that if it is issued today and it's a 506C or a 506B, then it is for accredited investors. You can also do a Reg A, which would allow retail investors to do it. So I know Exodus, and I don't know if you guys are working with those guys, but they did an IPO as a digital security token, and it was a Reg A. So they were allowing that. But even if it's a 506B or a 506C, after a 1-year lockup period, it can trade to non-accredited investors. And Pat, can those non-accredited investors after 1 year trade on Oasis Pro Markets?
First of all, I agree with everything you said. That's all accurate. Through their broker dealers.
Okay.
So we're signing up broker dealers. So and we can also do public over-the-counter securities. So when we have a public over-the-counter security, and let's say you have an account with broker dealer ABC, you'll be able to trade through that particular broker dealer who's a subscriber to our ATS. Regarding our specific ATS, the compliance with retail is quite tremendous. So we are a year away. Other ATSs in this space handle retail today.